My name is Daniel. I'm a regenerative medicine physician, and I'm going to walk you through installing your Magnetico Sleep Pad System. The Magnetico Sleep Pad is going to come wrapped safely in plastic to your doorstep. First, what you're going to do is you're going to take your mattress and remove it and have just the box spring for the Magnetico Sleep Pad to go on top of. You'll unroll the Magnetico Sleep Pad and there will be a sticker that says "This side up." You'll see that after the pad is installed on top of your box spring. Put it on half the bed and then take your second Magnetico pad and then unroll it on the second half of the bed. Once you have your Magnetico Sleep Pad set up on your box spring, you put your mattress back on, make your sheets, and you're all set. There's no electricity, there's no plugging anything in, no grounding. This Magnetico pad won't break. You don't have to replace any parts. It's a pure magnetic field that will last decades upon decades for you, your kids, and your grandkids. If you want to save on your own Magnetico Sleep Pad system, use code HEALTH15, that's HEALTH 15, to save 15% off your own Magnetico Sleep Pad system or the system that you get for your own family.